Put raisins and almonds in cow's milk and grind it well, then add sugar and drink slowly in sips. Eating pistachio cloves corrects the heartbeat. Mix rock salt in 2 spoons of onion juice and consume it in the morning and evening. Drink 4 spoons of grape juice after meals. Grind mustard seeds and rub it on the chest to get relief. Dry and grind rose petals. Then mix coriander powder in equal quantity. Eat 1 spoon of powder and drink half a liter of milk. Make chutney of soft pomegranate buds and eat 1 spoon in the morning on an empty stomach. Consuming it for about a week corrects the heartbeat. Take the pulp of wood apple and fry it. Then add a little butter or cream to it and slowly swallow it with saliva. Cut 200 grams of apple into small pieces along with the peel and put it in half a liter of water. Then keep this water on low flame. When the water boils down to 1 cup, add sugar candy and consume it. It strengthens the heart. Mix sugar candy in amla powder and consume 1 spoon of it after meals. It normalizes the heartbeat. It is also beneficial for blood pressure because when the heartbeat increases, blood pressure also increases or decreases. Consume 1 cup of ripe papaya juice after meals. Heat half a cup of carrot juice and drink it every day at noon. Eat apple jam by applying silver foil on it. Mix 4 black pepper powder and a pinch of rock salt in half a cup of apple juice and consume it. Grind red cardamom seeds and make powder. Mix a 1/4 spoon of this powder in honey and eat it. Grind half spoon of carom seeds and a pinch of rock salt and eat it with lukewarm water. This powder normalizes the fast heartbeat. This is considered to be an excellent recipe. Mix 1 spoon of ginger juice, a 1/4 spoon of basil leaves juice, 2 drops of garlic juice and a pinch of rock salt well and lick it with your finger. While licking, keep in mind that more saliva goes into the stomach. Mixing Kandari pomegranate juice with black pepper powder and rock salt and taking it normalizes the heartbeat.